everybody. I'm trying to decide between these two pairs of Skechers slip-ins. The Skechers slip-ins have been really convenient. I didn't think they would be so convenient, but they are just for everyday kind of run around town, and also just general working out, like on the treadmill, walking, and I do Zumba as well, so even going to Zumba. But I'm in need of a new kind of everyday pair, so I'm figuring out which one of these will do the trick. So these are the Max Cushioning Premier, and the color's, pretty conservative, and I like the way they look though. I definitely could deal with that every day. So that's those, or the Max CushioningHyper Craze Bounce. And the color is just singing to me. I think these are gonna be the ones. What do you guys think?